Hi everyone, welcome back again to another vlog. In today's vlog is harvesting our Irish potato. Time to harvest our Irish potato. You might be wondering why I'm always careful with some flies here. Last time mosquito bites me, so I don't want it to happen again. That's why I'm wearing it, and moreover it's my working clothes. So it's time for we to harvest our Irish potato. You can see now everything is brown, dried up. So we are ready to harvest. We are ready to harvest. Look at it. It's brown. It's brown. Okay. It has dried. I told you people it's going to be a huge harvest. I said it. Look at it. Some people were just asking me, how do you get garden in USA, in Europe? I told them I'm not in USA. I live in Germany precisely. Same way you rent apartment or buy a house, that is the same process of getting a garden. It's not about getting a garden. A garden is very hard work, but it's good. It's like gym. You come and do your own gym here, your exercise. Look at it. It's a whole lot. A whole lot. A whole lot of harvest. Just like that too. Just like that too. From the one we are eating. Just like that too. It is good though, when you plant, you will harvest and eat the fruit of your labor. That is the most important thing. You eat the fruit of your labor. Nobody will eat what you labored for. As we plant, we are going to eat what we labored for. I know from the beginning that it's going to be a huge harvest because I planted it in a different way this year. They say you cannot be doing the same thing and expect different results. So this year I did a different thing, a different result. Look at it. The same thing, you'll be getting the same result. But different thing, you will get different result. Huge one. And now I got I noticed that I didn't even on it, so I have to check again whether it's working. But it's working. I'm filming, so that there was a day I was filming. Eh? You don't need to get a bed for Irish potato. What you need is just to put it in the ground. Somebody told me you listen to counsel. The one that is good for you, you take it. The one you don't like, you throw it away. So I listened to her. I said, okay, I've heard you. Thank you very much. To plant, and at the end of the day, they will harvest a whole lot of Irish potato. I know. I learned it from my neighbors. They use bait to plant. For some of you that like to plant, it will be nice you get a bait. Do you see it? You see how easy? It's even easy to plant, easy to harvest. This is what we got from this bait. So let's jump into this. This is the second bait. See how easy it is to harvest? To plant it in a bait is easier. To harvest it, the same thing. Look at it. See it? I think this one got a lot of harvest, this bait. And I like the quality of this Irish potato because I bought it the quality place. I bought it from Macan. They used to have a very good quality. Macan, some of you that know Macans. That's where I bought this Irish potato, and it's not as if I bought it to plant it. It's from the one we were eating. So I took some out of it just very small to plant. Look at it. See it too. Our See our Irish potato. When you plant you harvest and eat And one thing I like about this Irish potato you plant in your garden, one thing I like about it stays long. Stays a very long time, a whole long time. This Irish potato, if you put it in your store, just spray something and put it in the ground, the thing can stay for like a whole 8 to 10 or 12 weeks, and it will be very, very strong. Look at it. No, I was thinking that this one is one of them did a very good. Look at it, a whole lot. A whole lot. A whole lot. A whole lot. It's almost full of these buckets, so I still have some here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your comment counts for me. Drop your comment. Let me know how you feel in what I'm doing. So it's all about harvesting our Irish potato. You can see everything we have. If you have watched this video till this particular point, kindly click the subscribe button to join the family. There's a notification bell icon by the side. Click it as well so that anytime I upload a new video you like, you will get a notification. This is our garden. I'm going to be dropping how we started, the planting, what I used, how it's been done, so that you can give it a try.
I am harvesting our Irish potato
farming,
today.
Gardening, planting. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. So that you can give it a try. Look at how I'm sweating. Yeah, the sun is shining, and I have to. We're in August. This is August, but we started having summer from August. I'm not done. Oh, I'm not done. I will not forget this one. Look at this. Are you guys seeing it? This, I'm going to still harvest them. This year I planted vegetables, but I noticed that it didn't come up well because the summer was not stable. Today you will see sun, tomorrow you will see rain, so it couldn't survive it this year. But next year we're going to continue from where we stopped. This is the power of nature. It doesn't matter your religion. So far you put something in the ground, it will grow. The power of nature. Let me turn the camera. This is from this bed and from here too. You can see. And this one is from this bed. Look at how small the bed is and look at the huge harvest. And these ones are from here. You can look at it. Take a look at it. It's all about our Irish potato 2024. I'm done harvesting our Irish potato. I'm so excited, so excited, I must say it, for seeing what we planted yielding increase. So it's a thing of joy. You plant, you harvest. Some people do plant, and at the end of the day, just come and eat up their crops. But look at our own. Actually, this year they say some worm came up to eat the crops,
one insect
but
or the other.
It didn't affect my own. And look at the harvest. So if you're somebody that like gardening, farming, planting, keep on doing it. You eat from what you planted, and this one tastes different. It's sweeter than the one we bought. You like gardening, you like farming, you like planting, keep on doing it, because you know within yourself it's hard work, but at the end of the day you're going to harvest it and it tastes very different
From some supermarkets.
Sweet, and it stays longer. It doesn't spoil immediately. It takes weeks, months before it will spoil. In fact, before it will spoil, you are finished eating it, or you give friends. Like this one now, I'll give some people. I will share it because it's much. I know how much they are selling Irish potato in the supermarket. Not even good quality. But this one is a very nice quality. I told you people, I bought it from Markants. Some of you that know Markants, the supermarkets, they sell quality things. That is where I bought it from. If you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Kindly click the subscribe button to join the family. There's a notification bell icon by the side. Click it so that anytime I upload a new video you like, you'll get a notification. I do video about our garden. I'm in our garden today, harvesting our Irish potato that we planted this year, 2024. And I promise you people that anytime I want to harvest it, I'm going to carry you people along so that you see how I harvest it. It's very simple. Because I do the planting this year inside this bed, so it makes it faster for me to harvest it, and it yield a great increase, a huge success, a huge harvest. So I'm so excited. Let me show you once again so that you can see it. I'm going to pack them in one so that you can see how huge it looks like.